Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm going to show you how to get this text effect. Pretty easy. I've got the word text written out. It's a bold text. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and make that one a light blue, and then I'm going to offset it. But I need it in the back of the page. So I'm going to go Object, Order, Back of Page. Now, these are fonts. So I need to select them both and go to Object and convert them to a curve. I need to take the black one and make a duplicate of it and move it out of the way. Now I need to select all this and I need to go to back minus front or front minus back. And that didn't work, so let's do the other one. That's what I wanted exactly. I got a little bit of outline there, but I don't care. I'm going to left click, right click. So this is our shadow basically. So now what we're going to do, and we're actually going to put it at an angle. And I'm going to start off with something bigger than a hairline, even though it doesn't matter because it's going to change it, I think. I'm just going to make a duplicate. I'm going to move over. And then I'm going to select both those. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. I'm going to blend them 100 times, and that might be too much or not. Now, I didn't make it big enough, so I'm going to stretch it out, which really won't hurt us. Because the lines are a little bit close together anyway, but we want to cover up the entire text. Now I'm going to select it all and see the intersect tool doesn't work. It's because this is a blend, so I need to go to Object and break the blend apart. I'm actually going to nudge it down because I need to ungroup it and then group it, which is weird, but I'm just going to group it and then put it back. Now the intersect tool will work. It takes just a second and it's already done, and I'll move it down. But you can see that the lines are really fine. So we can still take it and let's make them that light blue. And now let's change them to a thicker line. Maybe go a little bit thicker. And because I never moved it, I can nudge this back. Now at this time, you could make your text that same color and have that effect. Object, Order, Back of Page. Pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.